What's up, guys? We're a little late in the video, but I installed / am installing, because we're not done yet, this new rear diffuser on my BMW 440 downpiped and tuned xDrive 2019. Got rid of the old gray one, put in, well, the listing said, put a link down below, said gloss black. But let me, oh, can't use that. Oh, there we go. We'll give it a wipe down at the end. But yeah, it's clearly not gloss black. I said gloss black. Ignore scratches from my dogs. It's black sapphire, which is cool. September 1st today, at like 11 o'clock at night. Girlfriend got it for me for my birthday. So you know, what else are we gonna do but install it same day? So, like I said, we're a little late into this. Turn the flash off again. We're like halfway there, but I'm gonna show you guys. So, taking it apart super easy. It's I don't even know what tip this is. Let's see, T20 star bit, and then is this an 8? Yeah, an 8. There are, turn the flash on again, gosh dang it, 2 8s at the edge. There's 3 star bits, one there, one in the middle, and one on each side. I'm gonna take that out actually, because, so I started on that side, did the middle, and I went over there. As you can see, parts of it are falling out. You just gotta hit it with your purse, you know, make the clips clip. But yeah, taking it out, you just pull a little harder than you think you want to. If you're trying to sell it, I guess be extra careful. I kind of ripped mine out. Thought I broke a clip, but it's fine. I didn't break any clips. So yeah, get these clip in, you just hit it with your purse a couple times and you're good. But don't ignore the deflector. I'm an idiot, ignored the deflector. And I struggled on that side, probably because this side isn't in correctly. And what I ended up doing on that side to get this to work is I removed the deflector. But you probably don't need to if you're not an idiot and attempt to do it right in the first place. Shout out Meister Chef for these big ass tubes. The beauty. Anyways, yeah, just don't be an idiot. Don't try to skip steps. So we're gonna take those out and I'll show you guys in a second. So what I did on that side, let me turn the flash on again, was when this thing was off, deflector's held in. Let's see if I can get up close. Oh, hold on. There it is. Nope. There we go. These 3 clips. So this one on the edge you can't see. Just kind of, oh, popped off. Oh well. Just kind of hold it in. That one just kind of holds it in. This is the only one you need to worry about. There's a little piece at the bottom you gotta press, and it just flies out apparently. Jesus. But yeah, so when you put it back in, just make sure you slide it in first. Get the dog hair, and yeah, that's it. But anyways, like I said, for some reason I am struggling, I was struggling with this. Those just kind of pop in nice and easy. You can hear them pop. But then for some reason I struggled with these deflectors right there. I need 2 hands for this, I'm not going to be able to do it on camera. But yeah, just make sure everything's lined up. That the diffuser needs to sit in this groove, and then all your clips will magically line up. But if they're not sitting in the groove, then they're not going to magically line up. So like I said, personally I took the deflector out. I thought it was easier, I could see better. But if you do it correctly, you might not need to. So let's see how this side goes. Struggle the buttload on the other side. So yeah, I don't know. This, yeah, that's finally in. You can feel it. That one's finally in as well. I used this doohickey as I pushed this inwards with this hand, and I kind of pushed that outwards. I kind of did one of these things too. May or may not have effed up the bumper a little bit, but honestly, I don't really care, because yeah, it needs redone anyways. Dang dogs, I just tell you. Dang dogs. But anyways, yeah. See, it's sitting in the groove of what I was pointing at before. That's beautifully in there. I haven't put the bolts in, so like there's a little bit of gaps over here. But once I put those in, it should be good. Let's put those in, see what this looks like. Took a little loving, but I got that in. So, for the sake of ease, you don't need one. I use my little guy. It's Craftsman, so yeah, 100% little guy. But anyways, I just slowly, even though it's at an angle, I slowly started putting it in. And I just kind of was pushing with my other hand, pushing this guy in, making sure it was going in. And eventually it caught the little, what the hell is it called? The mount guy that's in here. Caught it and screwed in. So now we're 100% in. Here's the moment of truth. So yeah, like I said with this guy's just a little clip dude that will fall into place. But said put this side in first, push it in that way, and this way you just push. And a baby, not bad. Give it a quick wipe down, and then in the morning, take some shots in the morning outside. What am I talking about? Take some shots outside, show you guys what it looks like. I didn't really pay a whole lot of attention to these gaps on the OEM panel, to be honest with you. So I don't know how it compares to OEM, but overall, I give it a solid 7 out of 10. Getting it lined up with these deflector holes was difficult, but also because those is a very soft plastic is what it clips into. So when you're like trying to push in it, you're pushing the plastic back too. But overall, yeah, I gotta get those tinted. But I am going back to OEM lights actually. That's what's in that box, at least the inner piece. But anyways, get that realigned too now. But yeah, take some shots in the morning. But yeah, that's all you need is T20 star bit, 8mm. That's it. Excuse me. Hopefully this helps some of you guys out. I heard that there's a chance on some of these you have to take the entire bumper off. Just crossing my fingers this wasn't one. So I don't know, maybe eBay's worse than Amazon, although I'm pretty sure everyone gets their crap from the same places. And I honestly did want a carbon fiber one, and down the road I might swap it out. But for now, the paint matched black. It's hitting. That's what you kids say, right? Anyways, hope this video helps someone. Any questions, leave them below. I don't want to talk about this ever again. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy these next shots, and we'll see you in the next video. I don't know if anyone will, but in case anyone does, I got the car up on my race ramps here. I'll put the link to those Amazon things down in the description too. They don't do a whole lot, but they did just enough when I had the charger. Not that it was low, but with the side skirts it was a little bit lower. I don't know, don't ask me. I had issues getting the jack. Even that guy, the low pro guy, the Daytona, I had issues getting a jack under there, so I needed them. But anyways, yeah, it doesn't do a whole lot. Maybe a couple inches, which is huge for the record. But it is huge. It's enough for me to get my power tools under there. That's really all I need. I don't do a whole lot of other stuff. Do the easy stuff, the cosmetic stuff. Well, quote unquote easy. That was not easy. That was a pain in my booty. Anyways, see you guys next video.